Meaning of masked.
Masked. Masked.
Adjective. Definitions. 1. Covered or concealed with a mask or disguise. 2. Hidden or disguised, especially to conceal one's identity or intentions. Examples. 1. The masked ball was a night to remember. 2. The thief was masked and wore gloves to avoid leaving fingerprints. Verb. Definitions. 1. To cover or conceal something with a mask or disguise. 2. To disguise or conceal one's true feelings or intentions. Examples. 1. She masked her face with a scarf to avoid recognition. 2. He masked his boredom with a polite smile.
Masked. Masked.